Uh, as far as the DNA and binary code, yeah, I think they're very similar because both are programs. The DNA works like a computer program. The DNA is specific instructions that are carried out just like a computer program. Specific steps that are taken that build the cell structures, that dictate cell function, everything. The entire body, everything is encoded in the DNA code. So it's very much like a computer program. The thing about that is that the language, the computer language, if you will, that reads the DNA sequence is the same across all species. Every animal, from a virus to a mouse to a human being, the language is exactly the same. See, the thing is, and this by itself disproves the theory of evolution. Because how is it possible that every single living organism uses the same language? And going back throughout history, this is the case throughout history, every single animal throughout the history of living beings, living creatures, has used the same exact language. See, because when you look at the history of computer languages, it changes all the time. I mean, just going back in the 80s, there are computer languages that no longer exist, that went extinct. So the computer languages are evolving, but the DNA language is not evolving? How is that possible? See, that to me by itself proves that everything was created by a creator. There's intelligent design. There's no other explanation. Because if it evolved, there will be many different DNA languages. I mean, just from species to species, every animal would have its own language, its own DNA language, but they don't. They have one language and one only. So that to me alone disproves the theory of evolution, and it proves that there's intelligent design. That's my take on it.